Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday and I just decided to take you guys with me to go to that bazaar. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it's really beautiful from here, and lots of people are gathering around with their family on Sunday. They want to do like break fasting together. We call it iftar. So let's take a look a little closer, shall we? Before I forgot, I want to show to you guys this shopping mall decoration, which is absolutely stunning from up here. And yeah, I love it. I really love it because we are having the festival at the moment. It's called Ramadan, and soon we're going to celebrate Eid Mubarak in here. I just pre-recording my voice right now because I don't want to look like a weirdo, like I'm talking all by myself, like, you know, because it's pretty quiet. Let me show you guys from this angle. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, so it's going to look so weird if I keep talking by myself alone. So I just pre-recording, and right now we already stepped out from the shopping mall and we're heading to the field, the very famous park. You can see all that beautiful all those beautiful architecture art sorry, artificial, not architectures. The architectures in here is beautiful as well. As you can see, the convention center, we have new developments, a lot of it, and I've been surrounded with a beautiful, very beautiful lakes, artificial lakes, which is really stunning. And as you can see, there's a lot of people already gathering around. Gather around. Sorry, what's wrong with me? Yeah, already gather around with their family, with their friends. They want to have, they want to break fasting together, like a picnic, you know, like a big picnic at the park, which is kind of amazing and interesting. I want to do that someday, but I don't like to be in the middle of, you know, like like crowded places. I try to avoid it, but yeah, it's fun. If you have like lots of friends, if you have like lots of family and relative, you can ask your family to come here for a picnic or something. They have bazaar right in front there. There's still lots of street food. Yeah, Malaysian street food, so you guys can enjoy it with your family and friends, which is really convenient. And yeah, I already approaching the bazaar. It's just right in front of me. Not so many how to say that, vendors, or yeah, not so many choices, but still we have enough street food for us to eat, and it looks fun too. There's a lot of people. Still, I'm not going to talking to the camera. Right in front of me, there's a Korean girl, if you guys notice, over there. Very pretty. And yeah, lots of Malay. We also have Chinese, we have Indian. Yes, so many different races all gathered together to celebrate this beautiful month, which is really interesting. And as you can see, they're selling donuts, they're selling street food, local street food, Korean street food, Thai street food, drinks, and a lot. There's varieties in here, a lot of varieties that you guys can choose. And it's really sunny too, as you can see. So sunny. I love it. And look at how many people right in front of me. There's a lot of people right in front of me. And very nice environment too. I like it. Okay, let's get back to the shopping mall, because I don't have so many to show you guys in here. I don't have so much to show you guys in here because there's a lot of people, and I'm afraid that they will feel like uncomfy if I keep recording them. So yeah, let's just enjoy this view. Oh, look at that. So much fun, huh? They gather around. You guys can like, because the weather is absolutely nice. It's actually the temperature is around 28 Celsius today, which is so beautiful and so comfortable if you wanna, have like a picnic or something. There's people lying on the grass. They don't even care. They just enjoy themselves, which is good. Let's fast forward a little bit because I walk too slow and I don't want to waste your time for that. So cool. I like it. I really like it in here. This is the nearest shopping center from my house. So whenever I feel like I want to grab some lunch or dinner, I would definitely come over here, because you can literally find everything in here. I'm sorry for the notification, because people keep like DM me, I don't know, my phone, from Instagram. So if I don't reply you on Instagram, you know why, because your messages usually fall to the bottom, because like so many people keeps texting me for, I don't know. Yeah, you guys can see from here. Look at that. So happening. I love it. I'm heading back. I'm heading back inside the shopping mall because I parked my car inside the shopping mall. I just grabbed something from the bazaar, but I don't show to you guys. I just grabbed some local street food. Absolutely delicious. I love it. And if you guys interested, you guys can come to Setia City Mall and check it out by yourself. I'm heading to the shopping mall decoration, which is really stunning. I love it. It looks like, yeah, traditional Malaysian house.